UniCure Spraybooths presents the latest in prep station design. The new ES300 SDP is a double semi-downdraft prep station. The new 1007 DDP is a double downdraft pit model prep station. Prep stations have changed over the years from basic units with no ceiling or walls to adding a ceiling with lights. They can serve many different purposes, from simple compliance like the ES100 Prep to semi-downdraft production units like the 1004P with full curtains and an air makeup system. Downdraft systems are very popular and can come in single or double units with curtains and an air makeup system. The new ES300 SDP is designed with feedback direct from customers. It combines the semi-downdraft style with the double configuration. This system comes standard with doors on the front and dual air makeup systems, which allows you to perform separate operations per side. The unique feature about this system is the open center wall with curtain. For added functionality, open the center curtain and use the entire space as one unit. The ES300 SDP is 26 feet long by 14 feet wide by 9 feet high per side and is fully customizable. The new 1007 DDP is a double downdraft pit model prep station with common center wall. The system comes standard with curtains on the front and dual air makeup systems, which allows you to perform separate operations per side. The 1007 DDP is 24 feet long by 13 feet and 6 inches wide and 9 feet high per side and is fully customizable. UniCure Spraybooths can custom build any style prep station to meet your specific needs. For more information, check us out at spraybooths.com or give us a call at 615-889-3330.